Hey folks, it's a beautiful day out in sunny Southern California. The perfect kind of weather today to get out of the Gadget Lab and go and have a lunch date with my buddy TK Bay. We've been teasing this cheap phone challenge. We had a $75 spending limit. He went with an old phone, I went with a new phone. We're gonna trade our phones today and get our first reactions, our first responses. So let me go run over to the cafe and we're gonna eat some food and I'm gonna hand off TK's phone and I think he's really gonna dig it. Are you ready? Are you excited? You're excited. I can feel it. Look at that. It even comes in a pretty box.
It even comes with a pretty box.
Brand new.
XGODY.
Not like used and stuff. So
make everything it says valuable.
Yeah.
It says valuable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Here's that first. Yeah. I mean, obviously, like.
I don't know.
I mean, so I took it out of the box on camera. So
yeah. No.
This isn't like a proper unboxing.
So we get a SIM removal tool. This is very important.
I had no idea that was even in there.
That was in there.
That's an extra. It's an extra bit of accessories.
It's a bonus in case I want to put a SIM card.
Sort of the point of the challenge is that you might put a SIM card in there. I'm
going to say this now. It feels great in the hand. Oh, dude, I totally thought that was the button.
Wouldn't that have been hilarious?
There's a protection for the button.
So it wasn't turned on during shipping?
No. And
so hold it up because you like all of your pretty Huawei phones.
I like my pretty Huawei phone, but this is gold, man. You went golden. You went gold member.
Actually, it was like the only one I could really get.
It has a headphone jack, micro USB on the top.
On the top.
I mean, it's centered, but it's on the top next to the headphone jack. It has a flashlight on the front. That's a bonus.
So I'm sure the selfies are going to be top notch. The thing that weirded me out was on the back, how the listing for the phone says it has 2 cameras, and there's like a third unit there, and I have no idea what it's for.
I see a little assist there, and
is that you booting it up?
That was me. That was If you only knew it was behind you just a second ago. I think you're about to find out very soon. Yeah, let's go ahead and take out this. Hold on. Oh,
do it.
Yeah, now you know.
So stand by TK. No, you got it now. Come on. Everyone say hello to lovely Mrs. Gadget Guy.
Mrs. Gadget Guy, hi, nice to see you again.
Let's see. The kiss is on camera. Because I mean, it looks like a phone.
It's pretty big for 73 bucks, though. I mean, considering how I was expecting it to feel cheaper, but yeah, I don't know. Okay.
I mean, the thing is, like for all the jokes about feeling nice in the hand, what I was very surprised taking it out of the box was this is a very specific conversation about minimalizing the internals and the display, so that you pull a phone out of your pocket that looks like a much more premium device.
So yeah, I would have never imagined this being like I said, 73 bucks, and it's actually new. So you actually beat me on that one. You got a brand new one. Oh my God, the stuttering. Okay, so the front-facing camera's bad. It's very bad. The touch display is okay. It's just bad. Okay, first and foremost, do we know what version of Android does it have on?
I think it's 7.
Okay, let's see here. Android. No, 8.0, 8.1.
Wow.
So I'm not too far in.
It's in LG territory.
It is. It's actually stuck back then in 2018. I can't even set the actual quality of the video. I can only set saying that it wants a 5 megapixel image, and that's on the back sensor.
Shoots video.
Oh, it does shoot video, and
that's what I mean. Is like
you hit the video button and it starts shooting.
So what are the screen specs? Yes, it has a screen. Those are the specs.
And you.
Oh, I'm just so excited that you're finally getting to play with this. I had never heard of this brand before. I had never...
The touch response is horrible.
It took me a while to find even a video on the brand. I can't find anything on this specific model of phone.
I couldn't find anything either, yeah.
They're another one of those manufacturers just sort of importing parts where it's like, I think they have like 6 or 7 different phone models that are all under $100.
It says model is made RS.
Which they don't list that when I shopped it through the store. It was just
XGODY RS.
XGODY RS. So even the fact that they're really trying desperately hard to be a mate clone.
So at least you got me a charger with it, which I didn't get you, so that's at least good.
Actually, I didn't open up the rest of the box, so I don't know if there's anything under that other panel, like if there's a...
There are probably some instructions.
Did it come with a case?
It did come with a case.
Hey, just like Huawei.
And a glass protector.
Why would anyone buy Huawei when you could have an X... Whoa.
Well,
that's gone.
That one, yeah. The touch response is just... No, it's just like the touch response is just horrible.
Right. I really feel like this is a phone that you'll be able to take out of your pocket for a week, but not really be able to use for a week.
It has 4.9 gigs left of storage,
Yeah.
Juan. It's not 8 gigs, it's 4.95.
Well, no. I'm sure there are 8 gigs.
Oh, but it does have
somewhere
SD card. No, it does have
on the
SD card
phone.
support. Yes. Did it say it had a fingerprint sensor?
Oh, I seriously doubt it. It does.
Because mine has it.
I couldn't imagine.
Mine, which
that.
was less, has it. I don't know.
Yeah, but yours was older.
Juan, I don't know.
You can't get
why
fingerprint
you
brand new.
You got a new phone. you missed it. Okay. Either way, I'll try to do what my thoughts about this in about a couple of days
Sure.
once I've
Once you fully embrace
once I get over the
XGODY
initial
lifestyle.
shock. Because the initial shock I had when I saw it on your vlog was one thing.
But once it's
then holding
actually
it-
in the flesh.
It's I can say this, the design looks great. You would never imagine that this is $50 or even $73. You probably think that it's about 100, at least maybe 150. But you can feel the weight, and it is Android 8.1, so I can't really knock it too much. So we'll
All
see.
right.
I'll try to post some stuff, and
I'm feeling really solid. I'm feeling like I want
this.
this phone.
Ruins our friendship. You know what happened. This is what happened.
And there you have it, folks. You can tell he was super excited to finally get his hands on the phone that I bought for him. I really, we just spent all that time. I have the T-Mobile Revel that he got me. I think I got the more functional device. I think I'm gonna be doing pretty good for this challenge, for this showdown. And I also wanna put it out there, I know we're having a lot of fun with these types of devices where TK and I both have stupid collections of premium and inexpensive phones. So it's not to make fun of these devices themselves, but just to sort of exchange some frivolity between TK's channel, my channel, all the people that watch our videos, watch our reviews. So I think when this is all wrapped up, these are still going to be functional devices. These are still phones that can provide some value to people out there who might need something. So I'm very positive. I'm gonna talk to TK about this, but I seriously doubt he's gonna have an issue with it. I think we should do an inexpensive phone giveaway. You probably know someone in your circles of family and friends who could do well with an inexpensive T-Mobile phone. So that's the gig, folks. Thanks so much for tuning in. I think this is gonna be a really fun comparison, a really fun showdown, and something a little different than what we normally cover on our channels. So of course you can catch TK around the socials, TKDSL8655 on the Twitter, but I'll leave all the links to his channel, his reaction video for me. I'll leave the YouTube links for that down in the description below. And of course, we're gonna be sharing a whole bunch of this stuff across social media, the Twitters, the Instagrams, the Facebooks, all that fun stuff. Man, that got real loud back there, so I should probably wrap this up. Uh-oh. Cops on the prowl. As always, thanks so much for watching, for sharing, for subscribing. More than just playing with some cheap phones, we want to make sure we're getting the most out of our gadget purchases. So check out future updates on this channel, and you know where you can find me around the rest of the internet at SomeGadgetGuy, pretty much everywhere. And I'll catch you all on the next video. At $50, like, this is still something that a friend or a family member, if there's someone in your social circle that would need a functional device, that still does better than covering the basics. I'm very insulted by that phrase now. Whoa!
So it apparently does have a removable back.
But that might not supposed to happen.
No, it's not supposed to happen, dude.